Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I wanted to give you a quick look and review of the POWEROWL replacement batteries for a Ring stick-up camera. So I just got these. I'm going to get them unboxed with you real quick and tell you all you need to know about them. So right away, the similarities between the classic Ring battery for these stick-up cams and the POWEROWL version are pretty identical, other than having the Ring branding and the difference in color. These look very similar. I have the little charger here that Ring makes for these batteries, and I'm going to get those popped in, and it charges just like the Ring battery would, and it displays here on the top so you know how full the battery is, and these came pretty much fully charged. Now, you do also get a charger here that can be used to charge them directly, and if you use the included USB to charge it, it tells you here on the back what to look for. So if there is a green and a red light, then the battery needs to charge. If it's just green, then it's good to go and it's fully charged. And so on the Ring stick-up camera, I'm going to see how it fits and see how it works. So we're just going to pop this in, and it snaps in place. So just like the regular batteries, and you can push here to pop that back out, and it is on. It is good to go. Everything works perfectly. So if you guys have Ring products like the stick-up cam that use this battery, these are a perfect replacement option, and they're going to give you great battery life and power for your Ring products. So if that was something you were looking for, I would definitely give these a try.